Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. Today we're going to be talking about enough and not enough. Alright, tabbouleh is a dish that comes from the Middle East and it is served cold. So have you eaten tabbouleh? And do you know the ingredients to make tabbouleh? We're going to look at the ingredients on the list and then read the text carefully. You'll study the words in bold in this lesson. So you can pause the video and do this on your own, or you can follow along as I read. So the ingredient list is 1 bunch of mint, 2 bunches of parsley, 1 cup of bulgur wheat, 3 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lemon, a pinch of salt. I'm going to make tabbouleh. Let me see what I have in the kitchen. Well, I need 3 tomatoes, but I only have 2 tomatoes, so I don't have enough tomatoes. I don't have any parsley or mint, so I need to buy some. I have enough bulgur because I bought a packet of it last week. I have more than enough lemons. I have lots of them. Where's the salt? Oh, here it is, but there's none left, so I don't have enough for the recipe. So we use enough to express amount or quantity, and you already know words that show quantity or amount. I have a few apples. She has some problems. Paris has many old buildings. There are a few boats on the lake. There is a little milk in the carton. I have a lot of friends. We have several reports to read. And there's a bottle of milk in the fridge. So there are many ways of expressing amount and quantity in English, and maybe you can remember others. And remember that there are many expressions of quantity, especially for foods. So we use enough very often, so read the sentences carefully and study the grammar. So a ticket for the concert costs $90. I have $200 cash. I have enough money to buy a ticket. So I need $90. I have 200, so there is enough to buy the ticket. 6 guests are coming for dinner, but we only have 4 chairs. We don't have enough chairs. We need 2 red chilies and 4 green chilies for this recipe, but I only have 1 red chili. I don't have enough red chilies. So enough comes before a noun or a noun phrase. So here it comes before the noun money, here before the noun chairs, and here before the noun red chilies. So read the sentences and answer the question using enough. So again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So Tony needs 4 lemons. He has 3 lemons. Does he have enough lemons? So Tony doesn't have enough lemons. Jack needs 3 cucumbers. He has 5 cucumbers. Does he have enough cucumbers? So Jack has more than enough cucumbers. Ingrid wrote 3 emails. She is supposed to write 5 emails. Did she write enough emails? So Ingrid did not write enough emails. They've got $500, but they need $1,500. Have they got enough money? Say they don't have enough money. And there are 8 apples in the bowl, and I need 6 apples to make a dessert. Are there enough apples? There are not enough apples. Alright, so now make your own sentences. Use the information provided to make sentences using enough. So Rupert has $5,000. He needs $25,000. So Rupert does not have enough money. Carla has 8 pins. She needs 2 pins. So Carla has more than enough pens. Neil has 2 bottles. He needs 10 bottles. So Neil does not have enough bottles. And Lee has 2 notepads. He needs 1 notepad. So Lee has more than enough notepads. Okay, so enough to do something or enough for something. We use enough plus a noun plus an infinitive of the verb and enough plus a noun plus for. So I have enough apples to make an apple pie. So here we have enough, the noun apples, the infinitive verb to make. I don't have enough time to meet you today. So enough, noun, infinitive. There is enough time for a quick coffee. So here we have enough plus the noun time and then for. There's not enough space for a car. So we have not enough, the noun space, followed by for. You can also use the structures together. You don't have enough money to buy a present for her. So here we have enough, the noun, then the infinitive, and then for. So make full sentences using to or for. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. We don't have enough time to have a coffee now. Let's have one after the meeting. There aren't enough players to make a full team. She has enough money to buy a new apartment. He doesn't have enough patience to be a teacher. And there aren't enough eggs for an omelet. You can also use enough as a pronoun. So like other words describing amount and quantity in English, we can use enough alone when it refers to a noun. So for example, we need to stop at a station for gas. We don't have enough to drive all the way home. So here the enough is referring to the gas. Do you want anything else to eat? No, I've had enough. Here enough refers to the food that was already eaten. Please don't buy more fruit. We've got enough at home. So here enough is related to the fruit. Stop complaining. I've had enough. Now this is an idiom which we use when we are tired or annoyed about something and don't want the situation to continue. Okay, now we'll talk about enough after adjectives and adverbs. So enough usually appears before nouns but after adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. So look carefully at the examples. Jason, you've talked enough. Please let someone else speak. So here we have the verb talked with enough coming after it. I'm going home. I've worked enough for today. Again, we've got the verb worked with enough coming after the verb. Of course I can't buy a Ferrari. I'm not rich enough. Here we have the adjective rich with enough coming after it. He wants to run a marathon this year, but I don't think he's fit enough. Here, fit is the adjective with enough coming after it. You can't eat the lasagna. It's not hot enough. Wait about 10 minutes. So here, hot is an adjective with enough coming after it. And should we go sailing today? It's windy enough. Again, windy is an adjective followed by enough. So now you're going to fill in the blanks with one of the adjectives, verbs, or adverbs from the boxes plus the word enough. I'm sorry, but I can't come to work today. I'm not feeling well enough. I don't think he'll pass his exams because he hasn't studied enough. It's not hot enough today, so let's not go to the beach. In my opinion, Shane's not intelligent enough to do that job. Haley didn't do the job properly because she didn't read the instructions carefully enough. Okay, so use the word or words provided plus not enough to create a negative answer to each question. So again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Does William have a driver's license? No, he's not old enough. Why didn't Sally take a vacation this year? She didn't work hard enough. Why didn't you arrive on time? I didn't drive fast enough. Do you want to play football in the park? No, it's not warm enough. Why didn't he get the job? He didn't speak enough English. Or he didn't speak English well enough. Do you think he can complete the 3-mile swimming race? No, he's not fit enough. And is James coming to the meeting this afternoon? No, he doesn't have enough time. Right? Enough of and not enough of. So as with many, most, some, etc., we use enough of and not enough of when they are followed by the, this, my, etc. I failed the quiz because I couldn't answer enough of the questions. I've had enough of your nonsense today. You haven't completed enough of your assignment. Please continue working. I wanted to give everyone a slice of cake, but there wasn't enough of it. And we couldn't play football because there weren't enough of us to form 2 teams. So we often use the pronoun it, us, and them after enough of. So check to see if these sentences are correct. And if the sentence is incorrect, you need to change it in order to make it correct. You can't get a driving license because you're old enough. So here we would probably need to add the word because you're not old enough. Don't eat that chicken. It's not enough yet, so we'd probably say it's not cooked enough yet. After eating, we had a lot of food left. There was enough of it to eat for lunch the following day. That one is okay. He doesn't enough work hard, so he won't have a very successful career. So here it should be he doesn't work hard enough. So the enough goes here. We can't make a chocolate cake because we don't have enough. Well, we need something after enough, like we don't have enough sugar, we don't have enough flour, something like that. So below are the items in your kitchen. So we'll think about how much you need to make the chocolate brownies. Um, so you can practice that on your own. Alright, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.